All right, today we have a mixed operations problem that mixes subtraction with multiplication. 70 minus 30 times 2. All right, this one should be pretty simple, but I do see some incorrect answers pretty often here. Basically, multiplication has precedence over addition and subtraction. So in this case, it's the 30 times 2 is solved first. 30 times 2 is 60. Then we're left with 70 minus 60 equals 10. You did not subtract 30 from 70 and get 40 and then multiply 40 times 2 and get 80. That is incorrect. Multiplication has always had precedence over addition and subtraction without parentheses. All right, multiplication is literally defined as repeated addition. So you can take the 30 times 2. 30 times 2 is nothing more than adding 30 twice. 30 times 2 is equivalent to 30 plus 30. You can replace the multiplication with equivalent addition and still get the correct answer of 10. 30 times 2 is 30 times 30, or 30 plus 30, right? So we got that down. All right, so if you replace the 30 times 2 with 30 plus 30, now keep in mind, this is where other people will mess this up too, is you have this minus sign out here. We're replacing 30 times 2 with 30 plus 30. But keep in mind, there's a minus sign out here that affects this entire multiplication. So when we replace that multiplication with equivalent addition, the negative sign now affects the entire addition here. All right, do you understand that? 30 times 2 is affected by the negative sign here. So that means that negative sign affects both of these values. 70 minus 30 is 40. 40 minus 30 is 10. So your correct answer here is 10. You can type this into your cell phone calculator, scientific calculator, whatever. Basically, any calculator that works in expression mode, and you will get 10. Keep in mind, some very cheap dollar store type calculators do not work in expression mode, and you're going to end up with the wrong answer. So make sure you understand how your calculator works before you use it. All right, I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.